been a very wet night and Monday morning. As well as very heavy rain on Sunday night, Monday morning. We had very heavy rain last night as well, so the paddling pool is just about overflowing. Well, the primer for the acrylic has arrived, so if the weather's vaguely cooperative, we can put the windows in this weekend. It looks like the cover survived the stormy weather. So this plugs into NMEA 2000. I've got a converter cable to the Raymarine network, and that takes the Ethernet cable. So we're plugged into the NMEA 2000 Micronet to C-Talk NG network cable. Right, well, we've fired up the chart plotter. Right, the orange light means that it's connected. The green light is telling me that it's currently got a IP address. It's Friday afternoon. We're getting incessant squalls coming through with the strong sou'wester. Tomorrow should be reasonable. A good chance we can get the window in, which would be fantastic. Who's in my chair, eh? You? We're getting to be a pretty old dog now, aren't we? But still a puppy. It's Saturday morning, the sou'west is to die out. Maybe the occasional shower from afternoon. So should we get the window bonded in tomorrow? A few showers, rain developing in the afternoon, so even a good chance of getting the backfill in the morning. Once the backfill's in, doesn't matter if it rains. And that is a big catch. We'll take these out. Right, windows up on deck. I need to mask the inside lip, scuff with Scotch Brite, then prime the recess in the cabin, and then prime the window inner edge. So we need to just prepare the inner edge. Right, so we've masked the inner edge, Scotch-Brite, cleaned with isopropyl alcohol, and now we'll put the primer on the acrylic, and then the primer on the cabin sides. They both need to flash off for at least 30 minutes. Oh, set Grandad on morning tea duty, so we're letting this all flash off. Oh, we cut a V to give us a nice triangular bead. This is obviously 295 UV. Right, so into the electric gun. And morning tea while we're waiting, but I'm making up some compressible spacers to keep a good depth for the adhesive. 2 thicknesses of compressible 4mm foam. So the primers are dry. We're going to offer the window up, put a few screws in just to locate it in the opening, take it out, put the spacers in, put the 295 in, and offer the window back up again. Alright, we've got it centered in its opening. Right, so held in place with penny washers. We need to do the backfill. I've just cleaned up where it was oozing in a bit much. And most important thing now is the inside. And we need to cove the inside.
In the sink.
Well, we pulled the tape off the inside. Not looking too bad. The black PVC tape pulled some paint off the white. Occasional messy bit, but we're winning. Oh, it's turned into a beautiful day. Wind's supposed to go around to the north east later. We'll take the props off. Good crop of barnacles on this one. So it takes a 1/2 inch drive on the end, and there's a couple of Allen set screws, one there and one here. So I've backed the set screw off, and we just undo the nut. There it is. Splines are well greased. Bit of a clean up, bit of a service, and we'll be good. So this one, same thing again. Set screw here and there. I've got Grandad cleaning props, so I'm going to remove paint from the trailing edge area here so we can do the same modification as the other side. So we've got paint stripper, right, so it comes off easily, doesn't create dust, and this keeps the boatyard happy. And we'll just go into the bin. Right, ready for another coat. So need to get the black off, and then we're just down to epoxy undercoat. Oh, I forgot there was a tie coat in there. So the blue is the original colour of the anti-fouling when we bought the boat. So we must be just about there. Going to do a similar thing to the end of the keels. Oh, first lot. A few more coats of paint stripper yet. Well, we've got the paint off there. It just leaves this one. Might as well do it today because can't do it when it's windy. Right, well that one's done. Granddad's busy cleaning. At the moment he's cleaning the old silicon prop guard off. I better put the cover back over. So tomorrow hopefully we can do the backfill before it starts raining too much. Well, hopefully the last night we need to do this. So we'll get all the tools down. It's getting late. It was a beautiful day. Sunday, so showers were forecast. I really do hope it stops. Well, despite the rain showers, I think we can get the backfill in. Of course, once it's in, it doesn't actually matter. Just need to prime the edges of the perspex, or acrylic that we didn't do yesterday. I primed around the external edge and of course managed to spill some primer on the deck. Deck doesn't matter, that's easy to recoat with Kiwi grip. A little bit on the cabin side, but got most of it off. We are ready for backfill shortly. Going on the theory the rain will hold off. Right, well this time, tape's all off.
Let's hope it's sealed.
Let's hope it stays sealed.
Yes.
So the dampness in the air will help the polyurethane go off. There's still a few wee bits of tape to take off, but I'll only make a mess doing it there. I'll leave that. Right, well you damn well better not leak again.